Doing a simple trip today. Just decided to take a little trip to Schuyler Island and just explore it. We passed it many times throughout the years. Just figured we'd take the opportunity while we're here and go ahead and just explore it a little bit. So back over there is Port Douglas, and then directly behind me is going to be Port Kent, where the ferries and everything that I showed in a previous video are on the other side of that bay. But beautiful landscape up here. Obviously run down, so it doesn't get used that much, which makes it that much better to explore. Now, there was a farm, used to be a farm on this island years ago, and I had the drone up earlier and trying to see if I could find it, but most likely it's been abandoned for so many years, so overgrowth, and it's probably in the trees, not out in the field. So when I review the camera footage from the drone, maybe I'll pick it up in some other time when I'm back up here in New York. We'll be able to get a good look at it. It's a little bit hot today. It's 91 degrees. First off, we're in I already told you pretty much where we are, but this is right on Lake Champlain. So nice and beautiful out here. The breeze feels amazing, by the way, too. Somebody's had a campfire up here.
A couple down the other end. Goes all the way around probably at some point.
It's a good little setup for a campfire, that's for sure. I don't know, I don't foresee it going too much further. Looks like it just goes down from here.
Fossils.
That's what I was looking for when I was walking through. He's got a fire pit up here.
Yeah.
As I walk, pay close attention to all these rocks. And of course, they're not going to be out. Good. They are all just sunbathing.
Huh?
So they're all just sunbathing. Oh my god.